Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Students, we are doing the bookwork of our chapter, The Blossom Tree, and we have done which topic? Sentences. In sentences, we have learned about declarative sentence, exclamatory, imperative, and interrogative. And today we are doing which thing? Question tags. Do you know what's the meaning of question tags? See here. You do want to reach home, don't you? This is a tag question. We can also call it short questions. Like you do want to reach home. तो इसमें हमने शॉर्ट में क्या क्वेश्चंस बना दिया? डोंट यू. बेटा इसमें क्या रूल होता है? यदि आपका सेंटेंस पॉजिटिव है तो आपका टैग्स नेगेटिव होगा, और यदि आपका सेंटेंस नेगेटिव है तो आपका क्वेश्चन पॉजिटिव होगा. सी हियर, द हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स आर क्वेश्चन टैग्स. They are short questions added at the end of the sentence to see if the listener agrees with us. ये short questions एंड सेंटेंस के एंड में इसलिए ऐड किए जाते हैं ये देखने के लिए कि लिसनर हमारी बात पे एग्री है या नहीं. वी ऑलवेज पुट अ कॉमा बिफोर अ क्वेश्चन टैग. क्वेश्चन टैग से पहले हमेशा क्या किया जाता है? कोमा पुट किया जाता है. सी हियर, क्वेश्चन टैग्स आर ऑलवेज इन द सेम टेंस as the main verb of the sentence. Question tags we always put according to the tense. The verb in a question tag is in the contracted form like this: you have eaten your lunch, haven't you? This is a controversy. If your sentence is positive, your tag will be negative, and if your sentence is negative, your tag will be positive. Okay? Question tags are negative if the statement is positive, and if they are positive if the statement is negative. I have already told you about this. We have to make the questions in a opposite form. You haven't lost your socks, have you? You have lost your socks. This is a positive, haven't you? Okay? According to this, we will do this exercise. Complete these sentences. You come to school regularly. See students, this is a come. Come show to the present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, our helping verb is do, does. But this is a you and we always with you do. Okay, so our tag will be don't you. In second, Neetu did not paint this picture. Our sentence is in negative form, so our tag will be in a positive. Did. Neetu is a girl. For girl, which pronoun you will use? She. So you will write here, did she? Start to write. Yes. Third is, the cat dash drunk the milk, hasn't it? Students, see it carefully. Our tag is already given to us and we have to fill our helping verb. Our tag is hasn't it. It means our sentence is positive. The cat has drunk the milk. Okay. Fourth is, they wouldn't cancel the program. Sentence is negative, so our tag will be positive. Would they? Okay, start to write. Fifth, I dash be scolded for this. Will I? So this is a tag. You will create the sentence. I won't be scolded for this. Okay, because this is a positive, so our here verb will be negative. Start to write. Sixth, Ankit has brought the cartoons. Has, so our tag will be hasn't. Ankit is a boy. For Ankit, we will use the pronoun he. Hasn't he? Next, when a positive statement begins with I am, then the question tag is am I not or aren't I. However, aren't I is an informal question tag. We never say amn't I. Understood? If your sentence is I am, you can't write amn't I. Either you will write am I not or aren't I. I am going to Chennai. Am I not? Okay. Now read these sentences. He came here yesterday. Came show to the, yes, past indefinite, didn't he? In past we will use did. You posted the letter, didn't you? If the sentence has no auxiliary verb, then we will use don't, doesn't or didn't, but according to the tense to make question tags. Understood, beta? This thing is not mentioned in this example, but you have to learn things carefully. You will select the auxiliary verb according to the tense also. C. Complete these sentences with the correct question tags. The sunset looks beautiful. For looks, doesn't it? They won the tournaments. One show to the past indefinite, didn't they? The writer lived in this house, lived same, didn't he? Entered the stage from the right side, didn't I? Asif played in the school team, didn't he? Meera loves dancing, loves show to the does, doesn't she? Now start to write. Now come to the vocabulary part. Read these words. Dis plus belief, disbelief, disadvantage, impossible, improper, misunderstand, misread. Dis, im and mis are prefixes. Prefixes is added at the beginning of the word to create a new word with a different meaning. Why we will use prefix? Prefix we will use to make the controversy word. Some prefix can change a word to mean its opposite. कुछ prefix क्या करते हैं, उसका opposite बना देते हैं. The words in the box take the prefix dis, im and mis to make antonyms. Write these words in the correct column. Here you have to given some words and you have to select the dis, im and mis according to the word. See, like on, dis on, qualify, disqualify, behave, misbehave, connect, disconnect, patient, impatient, appear, disappear, place, misplace, possible, impossible. So start to write. I hope students you have understood the concept of question tags and vocabulary and you have enjoyed your today's class. Bye bye and have a nice day.